Comparison between top 5 programming languages. As per the latest survey of PPYL Index, Python, Java, JavaScript, C#, and PHP are the top 5 programming languages to learn. Here we will explain each language as per the popularity, job market, and benefits. Number 1, Python. Designed in the year 1991 by Guido van Rossum, Python will top the list of most popular and commonly used programming languages in the world. It is beginner-friendly and easy-to-learn language with higher readability. Popularity of the Python. In the last 5 years, Python has grown tremendously with no sign of declining. It is an extremely reliable and secure language, which is the reason why many tech giants like Amazon, Google, Instagram, Facebook, and Uber use Python libraries. Job market of the Python. If you do a quick search for Python jobs in the United States on LinkedIn, you will get a whopping result of 97,000 plus jobs openings. An average salary of a Python developer ranges from $92,500 to $150,000 per year. Benefits of the Python. Being the best programming language, Python offers many benefits such as ease of creating classes and objects through object-oriented programming for a multitude of platforms, scale complex applications, testing, and building prototypes. Number 2, Java. Java secured the second position in the list of top 5 programming languages. Originally designed for set-top boxes and interactive television, Java progressed to be a widely used server-side language for back-end development of Android application, gaming consoles, etc. Popularity of the Java. PPYL Index of the most popular programming languages has always rated Java on the first or second position since its inception in the year 1995. Job market of the Java. As per Indeed, Java is the second most in-demand programming language in America after Python. There were around 69,000 plus Java job postings in January 2020 on Indeed. Java developer's salary is $120,000. Benefits of the Java. There are innumerable perks of using Java, such as it gives the flexibility to create both web and desktop-based applications. Java is platform independent, which means once a developer writes codes, then that code can run on any platform which supports Java runtime environment. Number 3, JavaScript. Back in 1995, JavaScript was created as a client-side scripting language to streamline the process of web development. At present, 95.2% of 1.52 billion websites use JavaScript, which also includes YouTube and Facebook. It is a light-weighted, multi-paradigm, high-level programming language that runs virtually on mobile devices, browsers, containers, and microcontrollers. Popularity of the JavaScript. Due to the mass adoption of JavaScript, it has become a top programming language. The web development domain is principally dominated by JavaScript-based frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, Express, and Vue. Job market of the JavaScript. The global demand for JavaScript developers outweighs the number of skilled resources in the market. One can leverage the opportunity to learn JavaScript and get a chance to earn more than $120,000 a year after gaining experience. Benefits of the JavaScript. JavaScript is popular because of its speed, simplicity, interoperability, and rich interfaces. It facilitates developers to build highly interactive applications that give instant feedback to users and put less load on the server. Number 4, C#. Developed in 2000, C# is a modern hybrid of C and C++. It is the best programming language for developing games and Windows desktop applications. C# is relatively new in the programming world as compared to the long-established languages like Python and Java. Popularity of the C#. Despite being a new addition to the programming family, C# took no time to secure a position in the list of top programming languages. C# has the third largest community on Stack Overflow, and it is used by 31% of developers on a daily basis. Job market of the C#. C# has a thriving job market with more than 38,000 jobs on LinkedIn. Each month around 5,000 job vacancies are advertised for C# developers with an average salary of approximate $78,367 to $132,192 per annum. Benefits of the C#. C# provides an array of advantages to programmers, such as it saves development time by providing reusable components and extensive memory bank. Also, C# offers easy-to-use features which help programmers to write complex codes without much hustle. Number 5. PHP. PHP is a widely used server-side scripting language that automates routine tasks which otherwise would need to be executed one by a person. PHP scripts are interpreted by a server. It helps to build static or dynamic websites and web applications. Popularity of the PHP. Ranked on the 5th position in the latest PPYL Index of top 5 programming languages to learn, PHP has proven its mettle. Job market of the PHP. Since January 2020, the job openings for entry-level PHP developers has increased by 834%. It has made PHP the fastest-growing tech job in the industry. PHP entry-level jobs can provide you with an opportunity to earn a decent salary of $73,334 per year. Benefits of the PHP. PHP gives more control to developers and let them make changes in the code very easily. Another perk of PHP is that it is free of cost, so one doesn't have to purchase expensive software and can build robust applications at a minimal cost. So, these top 5 programming languages are invincible and deserve to be on the top. Each language has its own unique features which makes them incomparable. Stay tuned for more informative videos. SynergisticIT, home of the best data scientists and software programmers in the Bay Area. Call 510-550-7200.